Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Christy, and if you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and to my returning subscribers, you're also welcome. It's been a while and I've not been on YouTube. I've not been very active. That's because I work full time and family, a lot of things as well. So I've not really had time to upload videos, but I'm back now, and I've got a new surprise. One of the things I wanted to get for myself was a camera, and thank God I finally got my camera, which I just want to show you quickly on this video. It's a Canon 80D. Before I bought this camera, I did some research and it's okay, it's good. So I'll just hope that with this, I'm able to make more quality videos and entertain my viewers. Now I have a camera and I'm happy about that. So happy. I'm really excited, guys. You need to see me. Next, I'm going to learn how to use this camera, the settings, and I'm going to go through the manual carefully just to understand everything before I'll make any video with it. Thanks to everyone on YouTube who have taken our time to check on me this past few months just to make sure I'm okay. Yes, I'm fine. Just one or two things came up. I really appreciate all the love and support I've gotten from this channel. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.